Alright, so here's a fan video with my face, because why not? This is my 42-inch Alaska, JCPenney Alaska hugger. It's in the Canner Twisters, this box that I put up here. I'm at the lake again, as you can see. I kind of got bored, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna move the Twister to the Alaska to where the Twister was. So, again, if I can point correctly, the old socket went back up with a 100-watt LED bulb, equivalent LED bulb in it, just for temporary. This will probably stay like this for a while, unless I decide to inevitably get bored and change it again, so, which may happen. This thing's from July of 1986. Yeah, that's about it. Hasn't really changed since the last remake. It's another remake, another late 2024 remake. Here's the light. Still the same two LED bulbs, but I put a 60-watt incandescent on this side just because I wanted to use it up. Again, this one's the reverse. Put it on low. I'm gonna turn this radio off. Should have done that before the video, but I didn't. Also, I'm gonna stand here so it just blocks that massive. Also, I'm not doing a close-up just because my phone's basically dead, so I had to plug it in because it died when I was doing the change portion of this job. Actually, I'll do a quick speed run. This Twister is in this box. It's on top of the Amazon. It's in there. I don't know how well you can see that. I just don't want my phone to die again. It's at 6% now, so I think we're okay. Yeah. There's low with the light on. I bump it a little bit. I don't know. I might just take both of these off. I took the light off because the light went off because it's got a longer chain and I hit my head into it, so we're gonna do it this way. The SMC, actually, the SMC one's fine. There's medium. Not gonna, again, this is gonna be not gonna touch the phone, so if you want a wind test, go to my previous other videos of this fan. Here's high. I forgot to show medium with the light. But here's high with the light instead to make up for it. Anyway. It looks okay. It actually doesn't look that bad. Just spin down. The whole thing's kind of tilted, but so is the Twister because this box is kind of iffy and tilted and being powered off an extension cord. Little short extension cord. You can probably see. You can see the plug there in the rafter. That's a little bit. That black cord was an extension cord until I cut it down and used it for stuff, and then it was no longer an extension cord. It's now just a power cord for this fan. Because I had this box and the fan in this location on this 2-prong cord, but then I thought, now it used to be powered for the longest. The fan in this spot used to be powered off of this cord for the longest time, non-grounded, and also the fan was just screwed with 2 drywall screws onto the 2x4. So I'm trying to make this more proper. Next step is going to be permanently wiring this in. Maybe. We'll see what happens. We might end up, I don't know if this is 100% happening, but we might drywall this whole place. So if that ends up happening, I will wire this in. But I need to, hopefully, maybe I'll get a part-time job, this year or next year, maybe I can afford some Romex, because copper is expensive, and so is Romex. Because I'd probably need, I think a 50-foot row would probably work. I might get a 14. I don't know. Probably just get a 14-2 and put a double switch over by the door, tie that in, or tie it in with this workbench light right there. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. That's really about it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I may or may not post the video of this, my changing this out. It's a long form video. I don't know if I'll like speed it up or not, but anyway, yeah, I'm trying to show my face more and more now. Why is that shaking so much? I hit the bench, the shit. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Bye.